Hello friends, my name is Ju. Welcome to the new YouTube channel Solar Model Energía Solar. In this video, we will check out a hybrid installation of solar panels from one of our clients in Orihuela, Costa, Alicante. Let's go! As you can see, the house is oriented to the south, and furthermore, the roof has an incline, which is perfect installing solar panels. Simple and great. Here we have a 9 kilowatt inverter and a 10 kilowatt battery, both from Huawei, which accumulate enough to cover all the needs of the house during the first hours of the night. That's it for today's video. In conclusion, our client saves up to 80% of his electronic bill and contributes to the sustainability of our planet. Remember that we need to leave a better place for our children, and we can do so by installing solar panels. If you'd like to find out more about solar panels, you can subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, my friends. Until next time.